Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the keyboard or dictionary that accepts custom entries. This saves time later. Once enabled, create a custom dictionary file called medieval, txt, or open the replacements interface. You should add 50 to 100 common modern words with their medieval equivalents now, because adding many later is slower. Save frequently. Make sure your keyboard reads the file format, plain text or CSV, and confirm encoding is UTF-8, so characters like Thorn and AE display correct. Now map modern words to medieval forms line by line, because consistent replacements create the style. Use CSV with modern, medieval entries and include common punctuation variants so commas, periods, and capitals are handled. Prioritize high-frequency words like the, and you, I, is, to, of to maximize effect. Also encode orthography rules such as changing ing to unge or in, adding ye before nouns, and swapping th to thorn where appropriate. This enforces grammar-like patterns automatically. Import the medieval dictionary into your keyboard app and enable replacement sync and autocorrect so changes apply system-wide. Then test with 20 sample sentences that include capitals, contractions, and punctuation, because those expose misreplacements. Adjust capitalization rules and add exceptions for names. If you see problems, revert to your backup copy, check CSV quoting and encoding errors, correct problematic entries, or add exclusion rules, and re-import. This ensures you keep control and recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.